Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. Today we want to talk about 7 financial goals to achieve in your 30s. Make sure to watch until the end, because it's one of the most amazing hacks you have ever seen. Please, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos and much more. Everyone in their 20s spends their money without any savings, but when they reach their 30s they realize the mistakes they have done, and then they start to build up financially and start focusing on achieving their goals. It takes a lot of time and discipline to become money smart, but a bitter truth is that when you hit your 30s is that you are halfway to retirement. In today's video we will discuss several financial goals to achieve in your 30s. Number 1. Get a credit card. It's okay that your credit card score isn't perfect yet. Building credit responsibly with a credit card can get you there. In addition to building credit, a credit card can also essentially get you free money through cashback bonuses. Depending on which credit card you decide to get, there can also be other perks like airline mileage rewards. Number 2. Get on the path to becoming debt-free. Wouldn't it feel great to finish your 30s no longer owing to a monthly income payment to anyone? Personally, I get super excited just thinking about the hundreds of extra dollars I'll be able to put towards my investments once my student loans are finished being paid off. It's gonna happen sometime towards the end of this year, if not sooner. Now this is a serious obstacle to financial freedom. Mortgages aren't so bad because you will be paying that down and building equity in your house, but the other kinds of loans, credit cards, car loans, student loans, are serious obstacles to financial freedom, and the first step to becoming debt-free is to put a freeze on adding any more debt. This could mean cutting up your credit cards and doing a spending detox. Once you've stopped adding to your debt, the next step is to start paying it off. I know it feels like this is a huge mountain to climb, but do you know that paying just $100 extra towards your student loans every month is going to shave 10 years off your debt on 3 dates? That's because of the way payments and student loans work. Number 3. Making automated revenue must be one of the majority wonderful techniques to bring in cash. Automated revenue is cash that streams in normal stretches without the requirement for placing in a lot of battle. To make the justification for why easy revenue is engaging is that it needs little work to bring in cash. This is the thing that is frequently alluded to as building your cash work for you for the most part. You invest your money in a product that will generate an income. Try to build passive income through your investments with the money that you already earn through your 9-to-5 job. It's great to have 10% of your expenses covered by passive income, but like most good things, it will take time. Next, you should focus on increasing your active income at some point. When you are on one of the top 10 income-wise in your field, it makes sense to diversify and add passive income. Again, you must realize passive income is not easy to build. It's easier to increase the active income that you already have. Lastly, when you start creating passive income, look for great opportunities. For me, that's mostly dividends, because I can use the income that I make and let the money work for me. For you, that could be by building online courses or other digital products and selling them online. Whatever it is, try to incorporate your strengths that will also help you keep going. Number 4. Stick to a budget. Very 1 or 2 individuals stick to a budget, or any budget at all. Once you rotate 30, it's time to ditch the wishy-washy process of budgeting and start allocating where every dollar you earn goes. This means if you only want to spend $15 a week on coffee runs, you'll have to cut yourself off after your 3rd latte for the week. The overall point of budgeting is to know where your money goes to make sound decisions. Keep in mind that $1 here and $1 there adds up over time. It's fine to spend money on shopping or fun trips as long as these purchases fit into your budget. And don't distract from your savings goals. Knowing your spending habits will help you discover where you can cut expenses and how you can save more money in a retirement fund or money market account. Make sure to write down where and how much you invest and what that does to your budget. This may need you to keep your receipts and cross-check everything to your checking account. Over time you'll end up doing away with all the frivolous spur of the instant buying and be able to keep yourself in line at. Number 5. Boost your retirement savings. Get serious about your retirement saving goals, because in your 30s the benefit of time is still on your side. A secure retirement is long-term financial planning, but the earlier you start saving for your retirement the better it is. Most financial experts say that you should start saving almost 10 to 15% of the pay from your monthly income, which will be an asset and help you when you retire and enjoy your retirement without any tension of savings, because in your 30s the benefit of time is still on your side. A secure retirement is a long-term financial planning, but the earlier you start the better. There is tax-deductible IRA. This type of IRA works similarly to your company's retirement plan. Specifically, contributions are made pre-tax. Then there is a Roth IRA. In the case of a Roth, your contributions are made after tax, but with a Roth, you never have to pay another penny of tax after that, even when you take withdrawals in retirement. In the case of both IRA accounts, your money grows without being taxed throughout your pre-retirement years. Number 6. It is for sure that you are making more money in your 30s than you were in your 20s. You may be getting promoted, your average pay raises, but whatever the reasons, you are not able to save your money. When you start making more money, keep your expenses low. Keep them low like they were in your 20s. You should not be wasting your money by moving to big apartments and getting branded clothes just because you are making more money trying to save money. So it will benefit you after you retire. Just don't waste money living in an apartment you were living in before trying to save money, and make that money useful by converting that into an asset. So you've got to think of your income as a flow of resources. The money you are receiving as a paycheck on your monthly basis is like a river flowing no matter how high it is, because as soon as the money stops flowing, the money is gone. True financial security comes from having the reserves of resources of assets. Don't spend everything you make. Set aside a portion of your paycheck every month to buy stocks, bonds, real estate, and to build an emergency savings fund. That is how you start converting income into assets. You build up a reserve of financial resources that you can tap into if the river ever dries up. Number 7. Establishing a strong emergency fund. Saving emergency fund is one of the important steps to strengthening your financial goals in your 30s. If you don't have any savings or emergency funds, it will be difficult to pay for the unplanned car or home repairs or any other emergency, and then you will rely on your credit card to pay for it. The first step should be the building of your emergency fund. You can place every month $100 in your emergency fund from your monthly income, which will help you build your emergency fund strong, and you will see that within 10 months you will have almost $1,000 saved in the account. That can be helpful for you in an emergency, and besides protecting you from negative effects, while others recommend 6 months. Of course, how much you can save will depend on your financial situation. Also, having 6 months of cash in the bank gives you a bit of freedom to take some risks. Maybe you finally want to start that business you've been dreaming about, or perhaps an opportunity comes up to travel for 3 months. Your emergency fund can help you take advantage of those opportunities. In short, 6 months of cash in the bank is one very effective way of becoming more anti-fragile. For extra personal finance points, try to save 1 year's worth of income by the time you rotate 40. If you are still in school, there are multiple student credit cards you can apply for. What do you think about these useful tips that will help you achieve your financial goals in the 30s? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our video to support us. And turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. See you at the next video.